Hey, this is Chris out here in Sacramento, California with Reliable Home Improvement. Hey, we're doing a backyard patio today. We're tearing everything out, including the old drainage. I wanted to show you the type of tubing that was used beforehand. Some of the inadequacies of that black plastic tubing. It's cheaper, but it's not better. I'll show you what we do in place of that so that the homeowner won't have problems with clogging of the drains. It's a better product. Let's go in the backyard. We'll take a look. Like so many of our projects, this is a two-time previous customer. This year, the project at hand was the backyard patio and walkways. Now, I wanted to show you, this was a tear out that we had done. Look at all those roots. Look at this old pipe. That was underneath the existing concrete. There's holes throughout it. Probably roots that have grown into it, clogging the drainage. Now I want to show you the way that we do drainage. The PVC pipe, polyvinyl chloride, is hard, stiff, but still malleable. We use the right connections here. Unlike that black flex tube that bends and breaks, this can take the weight of the concrete sitting on it without affecting the operation or the drainage that will occur